This tutorial video is all about calculating the percentages of given money amounts. So I've given you the money amounts and we are going to figure out how to get the named percentage of those money amounts. This is a tutorial where I'm going to use a written method. There are lots of different written methods that you can use to solve these problems. I'm going to give you a nice simple one, and we are going to use a calculator at one stage just to make the job a bit easier. So one of the first things we have to do is to rename this entire problem, and I'm going to convert everything into fractions. So 35%, well, that's 35 per 100 or 35 out of 100. So that becomes nice and easy. So 35 out of 100. The next step is to reinterpret of. Now of means multiply in these kinds of situations. And then I have 7.20 over 1. And it's over 1 just so I've converted it to a fraction that I can now multiply with 35 times 100. Now what are the rules of multiplying fractions? Numerator multiplied by numerator, denominator multiplied by denominator. So I'll deal with 35 times 7.20. So I want to use my calculator for this bit. So 35 multiplied by 7.20. What does it equal? Okay, it equals 252. Write that down. 252. And 100 times 1 is 100. Last step is where is the decimal point in 252? Well, if it was a whole number, which we're going to treat it like that at the moment, the decimal number goes here at the end, so after the units. And then we just do what this says. It says 252 divided by, that's what the fraction bar means, 100. Now when the denominator is a multiple of 10, like 10, 100, 1,000, dividing becomes super easy. I just have to move the decimal point to the left. How many steps does it, or how many place values will it go? Well, just count up the number of zeros in the denominator if it's a multiple of 10. So 1, 2. So 1, 2. It'll go here. And therefore, the final answer becomes 2.52, and it's money, so dollars. So $2.52. The last one here, let's do that one as well. So what have we got here? 62%, that's going to be 62 over, just like we had up here, 100. It's out of 100. Of means to multiply, and 8 becomes 8 over 1, so it's a nice fraction that we can multiply. Numerator times numerator, so 62, let's use our calculator. That's what it's for. So 62 times 8 equals 496. So let's write that down. 496. And denominator times denominator is 100. So now I just have to do 496 divided by 100. Where is the decimal point in 496? It is here. And because the denominator is a multiple of 10, all I have to do is move the decimal point to the left. How many steps? That's however many zeros are in the denominator. 1, 2. 1, 2. And therefore, the final answer is 4.96. Because it's money, it's $4.96. And that's it.